Hi, welcome back to HENGKO channel. Today we're excited to introduce our BF series ultra-high purity gas filters designed for the semiconductor industry. In semiconductor manufacturing, maintaining pure gases is crucial for product quality. HENGKO's BF series gas filters ensure ultra-pure gas delivery, protecting your processes from contaminants. Made from durable 316L stainless steel, our BF series filters feature a multi-column or stacked disc design, delivering high flow rates with a low pressure drop and 0.03 micron filtration accuracy. This innovative design ensures reliable performance even at high flow rates, providing optimal filtration while maintaining system efficiency. Our filters are easy to install and integrate into your existing systems, providing a seamless solution for your ultra-pure gas needs. HENGKO's BF series gas filters are engineered for high performance, perfect for semiconductor, pharmaceutical, and other high-tech industries. For more information, contact us at sales@henkko.com. HENGKO, purity in every process.